Well, hi everyone, Steve Patterson here again from Photoshop Essentials. In this quick video, I show you how to make Photoshop your default image editor in the brand new Windows 11, so you can open JPEG files, PNG files, and more directly into Photoshop just by double-clicking on them. I'll go through the steps for opening JPEG files into Photoshop, but you can use these same steps with other file types as well. So here I'm on the new Windows 11 desktop. And on my desktop is a folder named Photos. Inside it is a JPEG image that I downloaded from Adobe Stock. We know it's a JPEG by the JPG file extension. If you're not seeing the extensions, go up to the View menu, choose Show, and then File Name Extensions. Now, by default, when we double-click on a JPEG image in Windows 11, the image opens in the Photos app, which is not Photoshop and not what we want. So I'll close Photos by clicking the X in the top right corner. To tell Windows 11 to open JPEG files directly into Photoshop, right-click on the image thumbnail and choose Properties. And notice in the Properties dialog box that JPEG files are currently set to open in Photos. To change that, click the Change button. Then look for the most recent version of Photoshop on your computer. In my case, it's Photoshop 2021. If you don't see Photoshop listed, scroll down and click on More Apps. Then scroll through the list and Photoshop should appear. If you still don't see it, you'll need to click Look for another app on this PC, and then navigate to where Photoshop is installed on your computer. But in my case, I'll scroll back up and I'll click on Photoshop 2021 to select it. Then to accept it, click OK. And back in the Properties dialog box, it shows that JPEG files are now set to open in Photoshop. Click OK to close the dialog box. And the next time you double-click on a JPEG file, Windows will open Photoshop if it's not open already, and then your image will open inside it. Again, you can use these same steps with PNG files and other file types as well. And there we have it. That's how to set Photoshop as your default image editor in the brand new Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also visit my website, photoshopessentials.com, where you'll find hundreds of Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm Steve Patterson from Photoshop Essentials.